On today's menu, a simple recipe with BROC-STAR flavors. Delicious stir-fried broccoli with garlic sauce. Lei hou man, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung. Welcome to Young Man Cooking. This broccoli and garlic recipe is so incredibly easy, really delicious. There's no need to get takeout when you can make this at home. Let's begin. Remove the florets from a large stalk of broccoli. Chop the florets into semi-large, bite-sized pieces. To minimize the mess on your cutting board, slice through the floret halfway and pull apart. In this recipe, I'm using about 370 grams of broccoli. There's no need to throw away the stalks of the broccoli. You can use this for soups or broth. In fact, you can actually eat the core raw because it's so extraordinarily tender. You just have to remove the outer layer. The inner core of the stalk is quite tender. Some ideas are to use for your next stir fry or as a crunchy topping on your next salad. We're not going to use this in today's episode, but you can definitely chop this up and use it for the same stir fry. 2 to 3 pieces of garlic, grated. Grating the garlic will release some of its juices and help maximize the flavor. Small piece of ginger, grated. Set the garlic and ginger aside and prep the stir-fry sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon cane sugar. Splash of toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon potato starch. About 2 tablespoons water. Give the sauce a mix and set it aside. Non-stick pan, medium heat, 1 teaspoon avocado oil. Carefully place in the broccoli. Let the broccoli cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Letting the broccoli sear without being disturbed will allow them to achieve a nice color. Give the broccoli a toss. Let the broccoli sear again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Take your time to sear the broccoli and be sure it's not overcrowding the pan. Set the broccoli aside. Turn down the heat to medium-low and add in 2 teaspoons of chili oil. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to make a really easy chili oil at home for yourself. Garlic and ginger. Gently cook the garlic and ginger for 2 to 3 minutes. This will allow the garlic and ginger to infuse even more flavor into that aromatic chili oil. Add back in the broccoli. Turn the heat back to medium and saute for about a minute. Add in the stir-fry sauce and place on a lid immediately following. Let the broccoli steam for about 30 to 45 seconds. Give the pan a good stir and coat the broccoli. Plate the broccoli. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds and serve. You can now enjoy this fresh and crunchy side dish with absolute confidence. This is such a simple yet beautifully rustic looking dish that that broccoli absorbs so much delicious flavor and has such a nice crunch to it. Visually, I love that bright, beautiful pop of green color. And like I mentioned, the broccoli absorbs so much of that amazing, delicious sauce. There's that salty umami from the soy sauce. The dark soy sauce helps add this stunning caramel color. That aroma and fragrance from the toasted sesame oil just sings through that sauce. And that little bit of cane sugar just brings a little sweetness and also helps glaze that broccoli. And of course, there's that spicy kick and that smokiness from the extraordinary chili oil. Cooking the grated garlic and ginger in that chili oil further flavors the oil to pack an even more incredible punch. This is definitely one of those recipes that doesn't require a laundry list of ingredients. So simple to put together, and enjoy this with a bowl of freshly steamed rice. This will make anyone happy. It's always so exciting to cook simple, delicious recipes like this in your very own kitchen. And if you enjoyed this recipe, definitely remember to give it a like or a comment down below. Or you can check out one of the 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks, along with the Young Man Cooking merch or plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check these out, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.